Welcome to Viewpoint 360. Bangladesh is celebrating 50th year of independence. It all started in 1971 when at that time Bangladesh was known as East Pakistan and it wanted to liberate itself from West Pakistan, what is known now as Pakistan. And in its liberation movement, freedom efforts to emerge as an independent country, it sought support from India. So Indian Army supported the emergence of independent Bangladesh. Thanks to Indian Army's support, India's support, Bangladesh emerged as an independent country. To celebrate that great moment and 50th year of emergence of independent Bangladesh, Indian Air Force Chief R.K. Bhadoria visited Bangladesh. He is visiting Bangladesh right now, and as a token of honor gift, he gifted a helicopter, war helicopter, to Bangladesh Air Force. And to reciprocate the same respect and honor, Bangladesh Air Force also returned a gift, F-86 Sabre aircraft, to Indian Air Force. Thanks for watching. This is Durga Irgunta signing off.